Disconnect all external cables from your notebook. Turn the computer over and examine the bottom. You will need to remove the bottom base cover. If not, watch our other video, how to remove the hard drive access door. Remove the screws securing the bottom base cover to the bottom base. Pry up the top edge of the bottom base cover and remove it from the notebook. Remove the battery from the system. Press the power button to discharge any remaining power stored in the system. Disconnect the interposer from the system. Locate the hard drive and remove the screws securing the hard drive. Lift the hard drive out from the notebook. Remove the hard drive bracket by removing the screws securing it to the hard drive. Attach the hard drive bracket on a replacement hard drive and replace the screws securing them. Place the hard drive back into the notebook. Replace the screws securing the hard drive to the bottom base. Reconnect the interposer to the system board. Replace the bottom base cover and secure it with the captive screws. You have successfully replaced your hard drive. If your new hard drive did not come pre-installed with your operating system,